Today we will show you how to install VRT 4x4 showers. When you get the goods, find all accessories or parts, put on the ground. Then first to dismantle the top floor. Tear down all screws. Tear down the top floor. After that, pull out the showers. Put to the end, hear a cat sound, like this, then tear down all the 4 screws, here too, and here too. Remove. After that, pull out the shower. After that, the black connect piece. You see, this is the connect piece. It is still on. So how to reinstall the showers? Put on directly. Then how to alignment the screw hole. See, here's the hole when it buried and level applies with the black piece. Then here is the hole when it. Then here the screw can twist to fix. Both showers are taken out. Now to connect the two frames together. All the accessories or parts are come with in the shower box. The side floor only instructions. There's a list because different vehicles has different positions. Please refer to the instruction to measure the position size. Here to here how many, and here to here how many. Now to connect the two frames together. First, loose the screws. See, here. Then find this piece. Tuck it in. And find another piece. This piece press on external, then use screw, fix down. The same at the bottom. This piece, tuck it in and press the another piece on external. The screws, first no need to lose tightly. You have to lose the 4 screws. Some other longer showers has 8 screws need to lock down. These 4 screws no need to twist too tight. Just reinforce the two frames together. Then basically all are fixed down tightly. Now see here at side position. This position at both sides. Find the pieces. Put it press on external. You can choose to install it or not. The installation is to strengthen, reinforce, tighten all the screws. So 6 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you see, to form a complete and strong frame, you can drill hole aside and lock the screws according to your personal needs. And you can also lock the screws here. Such that in this way there will be no problems if you will apply for Australian anti-collision avoidance test. Now work time. Lock the side screws and back screws here, here,